Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I transformed my balcony. I'm just showing you what it looks like before. I've been living here for like 3 years and never once decorated it. And so since we decided to stay a little longer, I decided why not. As you can see here, I'm just sweeping off all of the gunk and whatnot off of the balcony, and I have officially made this my outside broom because who wants to bring it back in? Random question: if you guys wanted to mop your balcony, is that weird? Because I want to mop it. Anyhow, what I'm showing you here is what is called a privacy screen, and I felt that this was important because they are building these townhouses like right behind my balcony. You can probably see like a glimpse of it, and to be honest with you, I don't even want to look at that, and I'm pretty sure it's just going to be weird having like neighbors looking up at you. So I wanted to put this privacy screen up just to have a little bit of privacy, because you know, who doesn't want privacy? Okay, so what I'm using to basically secure the privacy screen to the railings is by using these, what are they called? Zip ties. Sorry. I'm using the zip ties. Also, I do want to mention that there is a gap on both sides of the balcony because I didn't realize like how long my balcony actually was. I didn't even think to measure. I just assumed that since this is quite a small balcony, that the standard size that it came in would be fine, but obviously not. But I did figure out a way to kind of fill it in that gap because I didn't think it would be worth it to buy a second privacy screen. So yeah, I'm just using the one and zip tying it to the railing. Okay, so now the fun part, I'm putting together the actual balcony furniture. I got it from IKEA. This is probably the most affordable balcony or outside furniture anyone could ever find. And I also purchased it because it is small, because again, I have a small balcony and I didn't think it made sense to have anything outrageous. The table, I mean, the whole thing as far as assembling it was quite easy because the chairs are already assembled, so you just have to pull them out. I will say though, pulling them out is kind of weird. The only real thing that you do have to assemble is the table. I'm not even going to sit here and try to explain how to put the table together because I'm probably going to be all the way wrong, but to me personally, it's still fairly easy. But let's just all sit here and watch me struggle just a bit. Okay, so now I'm about to hang up these lights. I got them from Target on the clearance rack for $6.98. Now, another mistake that I did make, because again, I just, I didn't realize the size of my balcony. I only bought one box and I should have gotten two. And I thought that by going to a different Target, because obviously a lot of outside furniture and whatnot is kind of, for the most part, out of season as we head into fall. I just assumed that they were all going to be on the clearance rack. Yeah, no. I went to a different Target that actually had it, and it was full price. And I was contemplating on even getting the second pair of lights, and I got them. I paid full price for the second pair. I don't even want to talk about it. Like, we're not even going to discuss the price. It doesn't even matter. I got them. But I will say, I just think it is disrespectful, rude, ratchet, and trifling for stores not to have the same prices. If you're gonna have the same product, okay, and it's on clearance, I'm gonna need to be able to go to another store, with the same product and it be on clearance, because it's not like I went to a different store. I went to, a different Target. Anyhow, rant over. I'm gonna hang the lights now. Okay, so this is the rug that I chose, and from this rug is basically where I got my inspiration or my color scheme from, which is saying a lot for me because I'm really not into decor. So I definitely had to call on my mom for, just a little bit of help, just because it's not my lane. But I liked how simple the rug was, and I liked the color, so I, took the colors from there just so I could, figure out what exactly to put together. And here I'm just trying to figure out the positioning of the table and the rug, because what I wanted to put in the corner, I now realize I'm not going to be able to put in the corner, and it's probably a good thing because it's probably going to be extra. But anyhow, these are the cushions that I chose. I got them from IKEA. I got a lot of my things from IKEA and at home in Target. But we just got an IKEA like this summer, so I cannot stay out of the store. So they had cushions, obviously, to fit this particular set. And I just went with neutral because I just feel like you cannot go wrong with neutral. Okay, so let's talk about this plant. My mom made them. Yes, she made them. I told y'all I had to consult with her because this is so not my lane. But what I did was I bought, some clay pots, and I spray painted them blue because I wanted to pull out the navy blue that was in the rug. It was either going to be navy blue or seafoam green. But I kind of felt like the seafoam green would have been a bit too matchy. But yeah, I just spray painted them. I went and found some bamboo sticks from Home Depot. As you can see here, that's what they look like. And we sawed them not only in half, but we also sawed them in different heights. And this is what my mom put together. The flowers are from IKEA. The little palm leaf is from IKEA. The little silver things, I think we got them from Hobby Lobby. And this is how they turned out. She wants to add some more to it, and that's totally up to her, but I like it the way that it is so far, just because, again, I like to keep things simple. So if you guys need any any type of decor, hit up my mom. More decor talk. I swear I never thought I would talk about decor this much. Anyhow, I got these two lanterns from Target. They were $6.88 a piece, and I wanted to put some candles in it, but I don't trust myself to have real candles, which I know sounds crazy, but I was just like, no, not on a balcony. So I decided to get these fake battery operated candles. I got those from IKEA. And yeah, I just thought they were cute. And what I wanted to do at first was just leave it like that, but my mom found this vase filler, $4.98 from Target. And it was her idea to actually put them in there, and it actually came out nice. It pulled everything together, something that I would have never thought of. Now for some finishing touches, I chose this neutral looking mat and a fake plant that I found from IKEA because I am not trying to have a real plant. I'm not gonna be able to take care of it. It's just gonna die. And then I got this little bird, this birdhouse lantern from IKEA as well. And you guessed it, that's another battery operated candle. And yeah, I think everything is nice and simple and looks nice at the same time. Here I'm just adding the light bulbs to the lights. I thought it would be best for me to just wait until I had most of it put together, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add that second pair of lights to the end of it. And I just realized I didn't even address the fact that I changed my shirt. But yeah, I was just getting hot and stuff, so I was just like, I need a new shirt or something, which probably sounds really backwards, but I just couldn't, so I changed my shirt. Anyhow, I'm using zip ties. I also failed to mention that I used black zip ties. My mom was like, why didn't you use clear zip ties? Because I didn't even think about that, and today I picked up some clear zip ties because she wants me to change them. But yeah, I'm just going to continue to hang up the lights. Here I'm showing you a command strip because I'm putting up a wreath, and you guessed it, my mom made the wreath. I just, sent her a picture of the rug and the colors. We went shopping for the flowers, and yeah, here is my balcony, you guys. Now I want to sit out here all the time, especially with the privacy screen. Now I'm not, I don't have to worry about anybody looking up, being all in our business and stuff. So what do you guys think? I think it came out really nice. This was a secret project for me. I didn't even tell my husband what I was doing, but I told him yesterday before I uploaded this video because I thought it would just be best to forewarn him. There was going to be a video of me decorating our balcony. Anyhow, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any questions, of course, leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them all. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Also, I had to make sure I gave y'all a night view, or kind of a night view, but doesn't it look nice? I told my husband we can have date night on the balcony. We'll see. I'll let y'all know. I'll keep y'all posted if that actually happens. Anyways, until the next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.